Offshore wind energy is expanding rapidly worldwide, and more than 80% of all offshore wind turbine installations will be using monopiles as a foundation. As a result, there is a growing need for monopile installation vessels. Interestingly, this segment of the offshore wind market is the most underordered within the industry. With this vessel shortage will come also new opportunities. Let's have a closer look at a new vessel Offshoretronic, a marine engineering company from Barcelona, Spain, have developed with assistance of their technology partners. The new monopile installation vessel is a fast-track solution for the fast-growing offshore wind industry. Let's zoom in to all the enhanced capabilities of the new vessel, called the BALTICA Star. The vessel will be equipped with next-generation EGCS filtration system with innovative technology that filters sulfur, CO2, and 99% of ultrafine particulate matter. With the CO2 capture capabilities, the BALTICA Star will have the cleanest environmental footprint within the whole fleet of heavy-lift crane vessels. The next enhanced feature is the fully automated monopile transport system, allowing for safe transportation without the use of the main crane. This will allow for large time saving and dual operation when main crane unit is assigned with other tasks. The transporters are also fully integrated with the automation of the ballast and anti-heel to keep the vessel trimmed at all conditions. The vessel comes also with an enhanced capability for upending and lifting monopiles up to 4,000 metric tons. The gripper/tensioner is designed to handle a range of monopile sizes. To allow manipulating of the monopile quickly and safely from horizontal to vertical, Offshoretronic has developed a unique upending table that is fully incorporated in the vessel's hull. This design will save for more than 50% of components that are used on older designs of upending hinges and tools. To prevent plastic deformation and bending of the monopile during the upending process, we support the monopile that can reach up to 120 meter long and with a diameter of maximum 14 meters at 3 points. At the center of gravity area of the monopile, a special design saddle will be in line with the pivot point of the upending table and will handle most of the load. The monopile gets additional support from the gripper/tensioners who will safeguard that the monopile will stay in the support saddle when entering the splash zone during the upending process. The bottom end of the monopile will be supported in a shoe that will be supported by the 3 outrigging legs. At the top end of the monopile, the main crane will take care of a very smooth lift with very low loads, as we have created a large counterbalance weight at the bottom end. When entering the splash zone, we will experience some hydrodynamic buoyancy forces by wave slopes or sea currents pushing on the monopile. With our unique setup, we will allow for a fully controlled and safely upending process and extending the workability window of the vessel unit. Let's now swing over to the motion-compensated pile gripper. During the swing over of the monopile, it will stay well within the 5,000 metric tons lifting range of the main crane unit. This will allow us to lift and transfer monopiles up to 4,000 metric tons in a very safe way. Offshoretronic engineers have developed a new and more efficient solution to guide monopiles during the installation phase. The optimized technology applied to this pile gripper will fulfill strict regulations and clients' requirements to keep the pile within an offset angle that shall not go over 0.25 degrees. To ensure this, a robust control method is required to deal with massive forces. Offshoretronic have come up with new approach and design. The unique gripper have additional to others designs a active roll motions compensation. The most significant improvement that have been applied is that the whole weight of the entire gripper is supported by 5 large tire sets with a total of 20 wheels with a total capacity of around 1,500 metric ton. The wheel sets are fully integrated in the gripper section with hydraulic cylinders that can also compensate for roll motions of the vessel. The wheel sets have also drive motors to assist with the top hydraulic cylinders to compensate the vessel motion in Y direction. With this unique setup, we created extreme low frictions in the horizontal plane and will give a large energy savings to put the gripper in motion. With the new innovative approach and solutions, we are able to extend the capacities and maximize the workabilities with a monopile gripper that will require low construction and maintenance cost. The gripper have no any outrigger tilting function, and this will save for a lot of hydraulic and mechanical components. With the horizontal skidding platform, we also created a very easy access to perform maintenance on the gripper and the noise mitigation system that is an accessory but have for good reasons not showed on this video animation. To finish this presentation, we will summarize all the enhanced features the Baltica Star is carrying to be a very successful crane vessel to help and accelerate the offshore wind. The vessel have the capacity to transport and install monopiles up to 4,000 metric tons, and with total length of 120 meters and a maximum outer diameter of 14 meters. The vessel have dual and parallel operational capabilities with a fully automated monopile transporter system that will allow the main crane to carry on with other tasks. Last but not least, the vessel have the ability to capture CO2 emissions and will be the cleanest offshore installation vessel on the market. If you would like to learn more about this vessel, just drop us an email, info@offshoretronic.com.